Today we're gonna be reviewing a 20-ounce glass tumbler. Here's what comes in the box. You got the 20-ounce ribbed glass tumbler. You got a BPA-free lid. You got a brush to clean the glass straw. I don't know if you can see it, but here you can see it. Glass straw. You got a brush to clean it, and that's it. So if you drink coffee, iced coffee, or you like your Coke free, you like your Coke to be cold, it's a glass cup that you can put in the fridge and have it be cold before you put the drink in there. You can drink milk. You can drink milk. You can drink tea in it. The top is BPA free, so you know it's chemical free. This is high quality glass. As you can see, ribbed glass. It's thick glass. You can see the bottom is pretty thick. It's a classic look from back in the day. So you can drink 3 ways. You can close here and take sips out of here. You can click in there. And then you can take sips out of this mouth. Or you can open this. You got your glass straw and drink from your glass straw. Or you're like me, you can drink right out of it. You can drink water out of it. You can take it to work. You can take it to the gym. You can take it anywhere, to a picnic, and you have multiple uses. It's dishwasher friendly, so you can put it in your dishwasher. It's priced right, so I definitely recommend it. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.